Roza was 8 years old when her family was forced to live in a Ukrainian ghetto during the Holocaust.
9 people had to sleep in one small room. The first winter, typhus began to spread, and there was no medicine. Just one wet rag shared between us to cool the fevers.
Roza told me she and the other Jewish children worked for the Nazis in a local factory all day for just a few scraps of bread and a little soup.
It was the only way to get food. If you did not work, you did not eat. We knew only 3 things in the ghetto: hunger, fear, and sickness.
After typhus, Roza caught meningitis and then pneumonia.
I can't believe I survived. So many died. After we were liberated, we survivors helped give the dead proper burials.
Years after the Holocaust, Roza started a family and was part of a large immigration of Jews to Israel in 1972. She's now a widow and struggles with back and leg pain, which makes it difficult for her to walk.
I have dealt with this pain for many years. Most days I can't go more than 20 meters before I have to stop. It's very limiting.
So CBN Israel got Roza a special walker with a built-in chair so she can rest whenever she needs to.
It's a real pleasure to go outside again and not have to worry about pain or falling.
We also take Roza food and spend time with her.
I love the food and I am grateful for all the things you have done for me. It's so important for me to know that you remember us, that we are not forgotten. It is a wonderful feeling. Thank you very much.